Hello everyone. My name is Jack and I'm part of the ViserMark team. Our test results help in making an informed decision when buying a smartphone. Today, I will review another of the Oppo devices, the Oppo A78 battery performance. Are you ready? The Oppo A78 has a reliable MediaTek Dimensity 700 chip, 50 MP main camera, 5000 mAh battery with fast charging, and a 90Hz refresh rate. However, it lacks standout design features, as a lower pixel density display, and a lower IP54 rating for water and dust resistance compared to similar smartphones. The Oppo A78 falls within the mid-tier range with a price between €200 and €499. It offers an affordable, well-built option with an eye-catching design in shimmering colors. It's ranked the 17th within the mid-tier, earning a score of 42 out of 100 for battery performance. The Oppo A78 battery performance provides adequate 2 days of use, lasting up to 53 hours between charges. The Oppo A78 was awarded 1.5 out of 5 for battery efficiency. This shows more power efficiency than the Samsung Galaxy A34 and the Sony Xperia 10 IV. Based on our calculations, the Oppo has an annual energy consumption of 3 kWh. In terms of battery performance, the Oppo A78 scored 42/100, while the Samsung Galaxy A34 and Sony Xperia 10 IV scored 40 and 38 respectively. The highest performing smartphone in the mid-tier category is the Samsung Galaxy M51, released in 2020, with an impressive score of 62/100. Closely followed by the Oppo A76, launched in February 2022, with a score of 61/100. The Oppo A78 excels with a remarkable 2-day battery life, outperforming competitors like Samsung Galaxy A34 and Sony Xperia 10 IV, despite all having the same 5000 mAh capacity. Its 5G connectivity through the Dimensity 700 chipset surpasses the older Oppo A76 with its surprising 2.5-day battery life for general daily usage. The Oppo A78 stands out as a premium-feeling mid-tier smartphone, offering reliable performance with its impressive 5000 mAh battery capacity. It provides 5G connectivity and excellent battery life at an affordable price, though slightly higher than some competitors. While its camera setup and resolution might not be top-notch, for those unconcerned with these features, the Oppo A78 presents a strong 5G contender. We look forward to bringing you our next smartphone battery performance review very soon. Thank you once again for watching. Please like, share, and comment on this video. From the ViserMark team.